Let's unbox an iPhone 15 Pro Black Titanium in 2024. This model is 256 gigabytes. There are two sticker tabs on the back that can be peeled off. This is a nice feature because you know the phone you purchased is sealed and not tampered with. Flip the box over and lift off the cover. Apple does not include a power adapter. There is, however, a Type-C to Type-C cable to charge the phone. Therefore, the purchase of a power adapter from the Apple Store or a third-party vendor would be required to charge the phone. Considering the cost of this phone is $1,099 plus tax, it is a good idea to check the phone and ensure there is no damage. The best time to place a glass screen protector is before pulling off the factory sticker on the screen, because you know the surface has no dust on it, and you can avoid dust and debris from getting stuck under the new screen protector. I've linked below the screen protector used in this video. Installation is quick and easy. To install, simply pull off the first sticker and then place the new glass screen protector on the iPhone. Then, gently touch the screen protector and it will begin to place itself. Remove any air bubbles carefully. You can use an air removal tool made of cardboard to help remove any remaining air bubbles. That's how you get rid of the bubbles. So just put the case on. Next, power on the phone. We are unboxing a USB Type-C 20-watt power adapter from Apple. One observation about the official Apple Type-C plug is that it's almost impossible to actually read the specifications on the side of the plug with the prongs. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.